Greetings, everybody. We are here with Dr. Marcu, our Associate Vice President for the Fairfield region for Hartford Healthcare. She's going to talk to us a little bit about COVID safety and our protocols for the swim marathon on August 7th. So Dr. Marcu, I'll ask the most important question first. Can I get COVID from attending this event?
Hi, Anthony. Thank you for having me. So a very quick answer is no, very unlikely for various reasons. So as you know, Connecticut lifted all the restrictions and according to the CDC guidelines regarding mask and protections for indoor and outdoors. And the numbers are showing that the infections in Connecticut are still very, very low. So this event is an outdoor event, right? The majority of the action is going to happen at sea, on the boat. The activities at the Captain Cove will be all outdoors. Even at the time when people are going to go in, grab their food or their drinks, they will be going outdoors because the tables are not set up for an indoor event there. So all the vaccinated people we know that are protected, right? Even the unvaccinated reason, for whatever reason, we're going to have maybe a very small number of people that are not vaccinated at that time. The transmission on an outdoor environment is it's minimal. So even those people will not be at risk to develop an infection.
Fantastic. Are people required to be vaccinated to either participate in this event or attend the event?
It's not a requirement, but it's a strong suggestion, which really goes hand in hand with our message. In a healthcare industry in general, definitely at Hartford Healthcare, it is the right thing to do for yourself, for your family, for your friends, definitely for the community that's going to get together for this special event. It's protective, it's safe. We have now more than 1 year of data with outstanding results for the vaccinated people. So it's the right thing to do. But at this time, it's not mandatory. It's a strong recommendation.
Wonderful. Are there any restrictions that Hartford Healthcare has that are different than the state or CDC guidelines?
There are no additional restrictions. Obviously, the screening questions are the same, but people that are sick, that have a fever or cough or shortness of breath, anything that it's not their normal self, absolutely, they should not attend the event, regardless if they're vaccinated or not, because besides COVID, there are other things that people can spread if they're sick. So just very common sense, you're sick, don't attend the event. But other than that, as far as the COVID restrictions, there are no additional restrictions.
Wonderful. I guess I'll just ask the most general question. I mean, it sounds like it's going to be a pretty safe event. Is there anything I didn't ask that people who are attending this event might want to know?
Probably people will ask about masks, right? Everybody will be screened for questions in terms of symptoms, maybe travel. But as far as wearing masks, as you know, the nation is very polarized, wearing masks or not. What CDC recommends is that if you're vaccinated, if you're outdoors, you don't need to wear a mask. For very large crowds with large number of people where maybe social distancing is not possible, then the recommendation is to wear a mask. And you're going to see people at both ends of spectrum, people that will wear a mask regardless. They're vaccinated, even if they're not within 6 feet, just because that's their level of comfort. And you're going to see people that will say, all right, I'm outdoors. The risk of transmission is very, very low because I'm vaccinated. I'm not going to wear a mask, even if it's going to be a large crowd. So our recommendation is, again, follow CDC guidelines. Vaccinated people are safe without a mask. If you find yourself in a really, really crowded space with people that you don't know without masks and you don't know their status, put your mask on.
Beautiful. Dr. Marcu, thank you for your time. Cross your fingers for good weather for us on August 7th.
It's going to be a wonderful event.
I hope so. Thank you.